Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make voice deeper in voice mode. So the first step you simply need to do is to open voice mode, and here you need to click on hear myself. Okay,
Okay,
so
so
here
here
you
you
can
can
see
see
pitch
pitch
option
option
and
and
drag it here. Now you can see, you can listen. So make it original. Okay, so like this, you can make your voice deeper in voice mode. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.